Does it ever feel like your money disappears before you can even blink? You're not alone. Budgeting doesn't have to be a struggle. And today, I'm going to show you how to control and make your money work for you. Budgeting isn't about limiting yourself. It's about taking control. It helps you manage your money, reduce stress, and make sure you're moving towards your goals. Whether it's paying off debt or saving for something big, a solid budget is the game plan that gets you there. Without a budget, money slips through your fingers and your goals feel out of reach. Budgeting gives you control, clears the confusion, and helps you stay focused on what really matters. To budget effectively, you've got to know your total income, salary, side gigs, bonuses. The more you know, the more control you must make your money work for you. Take a minute to write down all your income sources. Getting it down on paper gives you a clear starting point and makes budgeting easier. Now break your expenses into two parts: fixed, like rent and subscriptions which stay the same each month, and variable, things like groceries and entertainment that can change. This gives you the full picture of where your money's going. Track your expenses for a month or check your bank statements. It'll show you exactly where your money's going and help you find ways to save. Watch out for the little things like daily coffee or random online shopping. They might seem small, but they can really add up. Here is a tip for you. Use an app to track your expenses automatically. It's an easy way to stay on top of your spending without having to jot everything down. Pay yourself first. Set aside your savings or debt repayment right when you get paid, so it's out of sight, out of mind. Now let us try the 50-30-20 rule: 50% for needs, rent, bills, and essentials, 30% for wants, dining out, entertainment, and 20% for savings and debt, building your emergency fund or paying off debt. Simple and effective. Remember, the 50-30-20 rule is a guideline. If you're focusing on paying off debt or saving for something big, you can shift those percentages. For example, put 40% into savings and 10% into wants. Adjust it to fit your goals. Don't stress perfection, instead focus on your progress. Every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Reviewing your budget regularly, monthly or bi-monthly, keeps you on track. Life changes, expenses shift, and your budget needs to stay flexible to reflect that. Adjust your budget as needed. If your income changes or unexpected expenses pop up, tweak your plan to stay on track. Life changes like getting a raise or cutting back on unnecessary spending may mean it's time to tweak your budget. Stay flexible and adjust as things shift to keep moving toward your goals. Let us summarize it all. In order to create a solid budget, first track your income, then make a list of your expenses. Follow the 50-30-20 rule, and last but not the least, review regularly to stay on track. Simple steps for big results. Remember, budgeting is a tool to help you control your money. It doesn't have to be perfect. Focus on progress, not perfection. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your own budgeting questions or tips in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.